Did you know that some campers carry a toolkit the size of a pen and it actually works? Whether you're deep in the woods or just chilling by the fire, these tools are must-haves. Let's kick things off with something that's small but mighty. Imagine needing to fix something on the fly. That's exactly where the EDC Pryar Multi-Tool steps in. This compact, pocket-sized beast is made from premium stainless steel and crams in over 10 essential functions. You get a bi-directional screwdriver, wrenches, a nail puller, and even a bottle opener, all in a sleek, durable design that fits right on your keychain. It's built to take a beating and still look good. Think of it as your mini rescue tool that's always ready when you are. Now, how often does a pen double as your survival wingman? The Mantis pen does exactly that. This 4-in-1 titanium pen isn't just for writing, it's a tactical, precision-machined gadget designed to help you out in everyday and emergency situations. One end has a window breaker, the other a self-defense point. It also includes a stylus and a precision driver tool, all tucked into a sleek, lightweight body that screams premium. Perfect for campers, preppers, or even just the gear-obsessed. And yeah, it writes like a dream, because function shouldn't sacrifice form. Picture this, you're camping off-grid in the middle of nowhere. That's the magic of the Furrion E-Rove, battery-powered cooler. This isn't your dad's old ice chest. It runs on a powerful battery, can be charged via solar, and holds temperatures like a champ, whether you're keeping drinks frosty or food fresh. There's even an optional USB hub to charge your devices. It's high-tech convenience that's rugged enough for the backcountry. Say goodbye to soggy sandwiches and hello to fresh meals anywhere you go. Who says you can't shower in the wild? The RinKit Rack Shower brings high-pressure cleanliness right to your campsite. This 5-gallon system mounts to your vehicle's roof rack and delivers pressurized water without pumping or batteries. Just fill it up and you're good to go. Perfect for rinsing off sandy feet, muddy gear, or even getting in a full-body rinse after a long hike. With adjustable spray settings and up to 10 minutes of runtime, this portable shower adds a whole new level of comfort and hygiene to your outdoor setup. Trust us, your campmates will thank you. Tired of sleeping on rocks and roots? So meet the Camper Sky Camp 3.0, a rooftop tent that turns your car into a cozy camping haven in under a minute. This updated version boasts a king-size mattress, insulated panels for year-round comfort, and upgraded zippers for smoother operation. It sleeps up to 4 people, has panoramic windows for stunning views, and even includes a hard shell for better aerodynamics on the road. No more fiddling with poles and tarps. Just park, pop it open, and you're ready to crash in serious comfort. Missing that classic campfire vibe in fire-restricted areas? The Ignic Fire. Can brings the heat, literally. This portable propane fire pit packs serious flame power in a rugged ammo can design that's both compact and safe. It features adjustable flame control, a quick connect hose, and side mesh panels for 360-degree heat output. Use it for warmth, roasting marshmallows, or just creating that perfect fireside mood without the smoke, ashes, or fire ban violations. It's your ticket to a hassle-free fire experience anywhere your adventure takes you. Power your campsite like a pro with the UPI's Exodus 600. This compact power station packs a serious punch with a 595 watt-hour capacity and multiple output ports, including AC, USB-C, USB-A, and a 12-volt carport. Whether you're charging your phone, powering a mini fridge, or running a drone battery, this thing handles it all with ease. It's ultra-quiet, eco-friendly, and can be recharged via wall outlet, car, or solar panel. And weighing just over 14 pounds, it's easy to carry from your car to your base camp. Think of it as the portable generator, minus the noise, fumes, and hassle. If you love cooking over open flames, the Wolf and Grizzly grill is a must. This minimalist grill is made from premium stainless steel and folds down to the size of a rolled-up yoga mat. When set up, it provides a stable, adjustable height cooking platform, perfect for burgers, skewers, or morning pancakes right over the fire. It's lightweight, durable, and built to handle high heat without warping. Plus, it comes with a compact carry case, making it perfect for backcountry meals or car camping setups. Now this is next-level camping tech. Hiker Power is a backpack with a built-in 300 watt-hour power station, letting you charge all your gadgets while you hike. It features a detachable solar panel, USB and AC outputs, and a lightweight frame that balances comfort with utility. Whether you're off-grid for a weekend or on a multi-day trek, this backpack keeps your gear powered up, including lights, cameras, and even small appliances. And it's not just about power. It's rugged, water-resistant, and has plenty of storage for your gear. It's your personal mobile energy hub on the move. Imagine carrying a full toolkit disguised as a key. That's exactly what the Geeky Multi-Tool offers. This compact stainless steel gadget fits right on your keyring, but includes a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, box opener, wrench, and even a bottle opener. It's built tough enough to handle all those quick fixes on the trail without adding bulk. Whether you need to tighten a loose screw on your gear or open a refreshing drink after a day of hiking, this pocket-sized powerhouse makes every moment easier, and it's always right at your fingertips. When it comes to keeping your food fresh, the Iceco JP Pro is a game changer. This portable refrigerator features a powerful compressor that cools down quickly and keeps your perishables safe no matter how hot it gets outside. It has a 53-quart capacity, perfect for extended trips, and runs quietly on 12-volt or 110-volt power. Plus, its multi-directional cooling means every inch stays evenly chilled. Whether you're storing veggies, meat, or your favorite beverages, this fridge keeps everything at the ideal temperature, so no more soggy sandwiches or warm drinks on your camping adventures. Set up camp anywhere, rain or shine, with the Gear Top portable waterproof tent. This lightweight two-person tent is designed for backpackers who want quick, reliable shelter without the bulk. Made from high-density waterproof fabric, it keeps you dry even during heavy downpours. The tent also features a sturdy frame with easy-to-use poles that pop up in minutes, and mesh windows for ventilation and bug protection. Whether you're camping near a lake or deep in the forest, this tent is your trusty shield against the elements. This gadget is a lifesaver, literally. The Maxin jump starter combines a powerful lithium battery jump starter with a built-in air compressor, flashlight, and USB charging ports. Got a dead car battery miles from help? No problem! Need to inflate your camping mattress or bike tires? Done! The bright LED flashlight comes in handy for nighttime emergencies or navigating in the dark. Compact and rugged, this multi-use tool ensures you're prepared for unexpected situations. Staying hydrated is critical on any camping trip, and the Z-Best Hygienic Hydration Bladder makes it easy and safe. Made with antibacterial materials and a leak-proof design, this hydration bladder fits perfectly into backpacks or hydration packs. Its wide mouth opening lets you fill it quickly, while the flexible tube and bite valve provide convenient hands-free sipping on the move. It's designed for durability, keeping your water fresh and clean for days, so you can focus on the trail ahead without worrying about hydration hassles. Clean drinking water is a must, and the BlueVua Robot makes it easy wherever you go. This portable reverse osmosis water system filters out bacteria, viruses, and contaminants, giving you pure, fresh water from almost any source. Compact enough to fit on a countertop or pack along, it's perfect for campers, hikers, and travelers who want peace of mind about their water quality. The simple setup means you're ready to drink safely in minutes, no matter how remote your location. Camping isn't just about survival, it's also about fun, and the Bazooka Party Bar speaker amps up your outdoor vibe. This mini waterproof Bluetooth speaker packs surprisingly big sound for its size, delivering crisp highs and booming bass even in rugged environments. Its waterproof rating means you can bring it poolside, beachside, or straight into the wild without worry. Plus, it pairs with multiple devices and supports long battery life, so the party keeps going from sunset to starlight. Power your gadgets sustainably with the Sego charger. This lightweight solar panel folds down to pocket size but unfolds to a generous 10-watt solar surface, perfect for charging phones, cameras, or power banks while you're off-grid. It's compatible with most USB devices and designed to withstand rough outdoor conditions. The origami-style folds make it super portable, and the fast charging technology means you get maximum power from the sun, keeping your gear juiced during even the longest adventures. This isn't your average camp axe. The Agua ADK26 transforms effortlessly from a hatchet to a full-sized forest axe, giving you versatility in a compact design. It's crafted from high-quality steel with a sharp blade that handles chopping wood, kindling, or even light carving with ease. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the foldable design makes it easy to pack. Whether you're building a fire or clearing a path, this tool adapts to your needs, combining power and portability in one rugged package. A green laser pointer might not be the first thing you think of for camping, but the Votatu rechargeable green laser is surprisingly handy. It's powerful enough to be seen for miles, making it great for signaling in emergencies or pointing out distant landmarks during night hikes. Rechargeable via USB, this laser comes with adjustable brightness and a durable aluminum body built to withstand the outdoors. It's lightweight, compact, and a smart addition to your EDC for safety and communication after dark. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite gadget, and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor tips.